I got mail in box, and it's PlayStation 5 Scuf controller. The customer said the right stick have issue, so in this video I will try to fix it. As you can see, the right stick have some issue, so let's try to fix that. And this sensor need to be replaced. This sensor have issue, so I only change this sensor. It looks like perfect, so let's return all the part back and test it. And now let's calibrate the stick, and the calibration completed. So let's test it on gamepad test. As you can see, the stick is perfect. Let's ship it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.